Daily AI News. Headlines for August 3, 26. AirLLM lets you run enormous open-source language models on tiny GPUs by streaming one layer at a time, so memory needs depend on layer size, not total size. It runs Llama 3.1405B on 8 GB, DeepSeek V3671B on about 12 GB, and Kimi K3, the largest open model at 2.8 trillion parameters, in just 3.72 GB of VRAM on a single RTX 6000 ADA, as of July 2026. This sparse mixture of experts model loads only the experts each token uses. AirLLM also supports Qwen 3-235B in roughly 3 GB, with 4-bit or 8-bit block-wise quantization for up to 3 times faster inference. It works on macOS and CPUs, and supports most major model families. A flood of fake SQLite vulnerabilities, likely AI-generated, has hit the National Vulnerability Database. JFrog researchers found these advisories cite non-existent code and failed to trigger crashes. For instance, CVE 2026-51302 was initially rated critical, 10.0, but downgraded to 7.6. Testing against official SQLite versions showed functions like extracompute operands didn't exist in cited versions, and line numbers exceeded file lengths. These fabricated CVEs waste time and mislead automated tools. To spot such slop, check for missing vendor corroboration, absent commit hashes, and non-existent code references. DeepMind researchers introduced instruction-steered parametric synthesis, a method that combines existing model weights with text descriptions to generate new weights for specific skills. This turns skill composition into an inference time operation, eliminating the need for separate fine-tuning runs. The approach outperforms both text-only and weight-only adaptation methods. By making models more modular and reusable, it reduces the need for extensive training pipelines. This reinforces a broader AI trend toward efficiency and modularity, with potential implications for future model development and deployment strategies. Stripe built Kai, an AI coworker for all employees, using LangChain's deep agents. It helps non-engineers synthesize data, draft documents, and analyze trends. Kai connects to internal systems and has over 1,000 skills from 100 teams. Deep Agents handles core tasks, letting Stripe focus on domain workflows. Anupam built the initial version in 1 week using middleware for file system, sandbox, and summarization. Kai uses 500-plus MCP tools with dynamic loading. The team found quality degrades with over 150 skills, so they pinned foundational ones. This matters because it makes AI accessible to everyone. China's MiniMax H3 is the first open-weights model to top an AI video ranking. Artificial analysis ranks it first in video editing, second in text-to-video, third in image-to-video. This 33B parameter model handles text, images, video, and audio, generating 4 to 15-second clips with stereo sound. A prompt can include up to 9 reference images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio clips. However, the 2K resolution module and H3 context IR, for prompt structuring, remain closed. Local Comfy UI runs top-out at 768p, and users handle context prep. Open weights allow fine-tuning, but commercial use is limited to companies under $20 million revenue. NVIDIA released SkillSpector, a free open-source scanner that evaluates AI agent skills before installation. It analyzes directories, zip files, or Git URLs, returning a risk score and recommendations. Skills often include Python scripts accessing your shell and environment, and those scripts are 2.12 times more likely to be vulnerable. The scanner uses static analysis, taint tracking, and YRA rules to detect 64 patterns, including prompt injection and credential theft. It checks dependencies against osve.dev for known vulnerabilities. An optional LLM pass using NVIDIA's build.nvidia.com boosts precision to 87%. Nightcrawler is an autonomous pentesting agent on a smartphone, version 0.1.0. It discovers hosts, maps services, finds vulnerabilities, and reports without cloud. Uses a local 1.2 BPRM AI model, LFM 2.5-1.2b instruct heretic, on the phone's GPU via OpenCL. Rotates hosts, one small action per turn, stealthy scans. Includes 27 exploit playbooks and a 24,956 entry CVE DB for version matching. A 2-layer scope proxy validates commands, preventing out-of-scope actions. Tested on OnePlus 8, Snapdragon 865, 12GB RAM, needing root and Kali Net Hunter. Model has 50% command success, but agent compensates with garbage/stuck detection. Liquid AI's LFM 2.5 encoders enable fast long context inference on CPU. Built from LFM 2 decoder backbones, they handle 8,192 token contexts. The 350M model ranks 4th among 14, beating larger ones. The 230M outperforms modern BERT-base. On CPU, the 230M is 3.7x fast. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI news.